money mindset. Listen to this carefully. Here lies the whole secret of attracting money. Understand this phrase well. I want money. It is always one-to-one relationship between you and money. It's about what attitude you have about money. How wealthy you are is directly related to what kind of mindset you have towards money. You have the power to attract what you want in life. You have the same potential as the wealthiest person on this planet. You have the same power as high achievers, undoubtedly. But the whole problem lies here. What kind of beliefs and values you develop towards money and how you approach it becomes the game changer. Money is positive concept. Money is spiritual and holy. Develop positive attitude towards money. Discard all the negative thoughts that were fed into your mind through various sources, like money is evil, money doesn't grow on trees, he's money-minded, greedy person. Honestly, all these beliefs doesn't allow you to attract money in life. Love, respect and value money. Creation of wealth is positive and poverty is evil. Money comes to you as the reward for your performance. People willingly pay for your product and service for adding value to their lives. So feel proud about asking abundance of money. Another important thing here is stop running behind money. Why? Because the more you run, the far it goes. Instead, understand the ways to attract it. You can only earn money as the reward for your work. Don't try to win money. For example, gambling or through acquiring others' property or by any other means that causes damage to others. You need to earn money. And that means you need to add more value to people's lives. And you need to create a product or service that adds value to others, and people should willingly pay you for that, for whatever you had done. That's the righteous way to earn money, to earn abundance of money. Discard all the negative feelings and create positive attitude towards money and earn abundance of money as the reward for your performance. So, to help you fix this in your subconscious mind, tell the simple affirmation repeatedly as many times as possible in a day until you develop a positive money mindset. I love money and money flows into my life in abundance. If you tell this simple positive statement about money wholeheartedly, that will surely change your perception towards money, and eventually you will start attracting more money in your life. If you are unable to earn abundance of money, make quality relationships and have super rich lifestyle, it's absolutely not your fault. Many of our beliefs were formed in the early stages of our lives between the age 0 to 7. Your early experiences and understandings developed a series of beliefs, and that have been used to unconsciously create your life so far. It has been evident that over 90% of the population have deep core underlying belief that they are not good enough, they are not worthy enough, and eventually that they do not love and accept themselves. This leads to addiction, traumatic experiences, and general feeling of stress and unhappiness in life. In most cases, these beliefs has been passed on from generation to generation. The problem is everywhere around you. Right from schools functioning like factories, blindly following the curriculum designed to produce workers during Industrial Revolution period. We are trained to compare ourselves with others right from our childhood. Even through media, we grab so many negative thoughts in our everyday life, and so many of the wrong imprints that's there in our subconscious mind, acting as the mental block for our development. We are conditioned wrongly, and there are so many misconceptions, threats and disbeliefs fed inside our mind right from our childhood, and eventually all these things act as the barriers for our development. The Born Leader program is designed to change this. Now let me assure you, no matter where you're coming from and what's your starting point is right now, I know this program will work for you, just like it already did for me and countless of others. This will be your path to find ultimate solution to create your dream life. The key part of this program is you will discover your true self, identify exactly the inborn talent, treasure, and design your life exactly the way you wanted it to be, and become successful in your career, business, relationship, health and fitness, and almost all aspects of life. If it works for me, if it works for countless of others, I'm sure it will work for you too. So no more tears, no more pain, and no more regrets. Life is so beautiful. And to experience its beauty, register now to the Born Leader program.